Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a payment method at Shopify Checkout using the Next Reorder app. So this is a quick and easy process and you don't need any coding knowledge. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can see the Next Reorder app. Click on it. Okay, now for the payment method, here itself, here choosing quick hide payment method for hide some payment method. Okay, here it is, create rule. So here we can give the name. It is already written. So here the rule status is activated. So here the payment method option that we have to hide can choose here. Here I choose cash on delivery. Okay, now in this preview section, we can see the cash on delivery is hidden. Okay, that's it. Now we can click on save. So the rule has been created now. So for testing, we can go to the online store. Here we can click on any product and can check the test the checkout process. Here already there is some items in the cart. So click on the checkout. Okay, here we can see there is no option for cash on delivery. So it is hidden now. It is because we created the rule already. So that's it. So this means the rule is working successfully. So some express payment methods such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, Shop Pay, PayPal, Express, Cash App Pay and Venmo can't be hidden because of Shopify built-in limitation. So there is some payment method we can hidden. So that's it. So you have successfully learned how to hide a payment method using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.